Hey there! You know that videos are the most powerful form of content today, and the #1 medium to engage the audience, generate traffic, leads, and sales. Investing in videos should be the #1 priority for any business, both offline and online. But videos can quickly turn into a headache for most marketers. Reason? Limited views and earnings. Using platforms like Vimeo, VidSquad, and YouTube cost over $1,600 per year. That's super expensive. YouTube's never-ending skip ad feature. Sleazy marketers simply stealing your content, getting non-related or fake traffic to your videos. Customers only seeing a black screen. Customers facing buffering issues every second. The list goes on and on. Now, I am pretty sure that you're facing at least one of these problems. Imagine if you're being able to host, manage, and publish thousands of HD videos without any uploading or buffering issues, without worrying about reaching any uploading limits, view limits, or being forced to pay every month just for uploading videos. Well, I got a good news for you. After many months of hard work, once again, we did it. Introducing VidSquad. VidSquad is a perfect all-in-one video hosting and marketing platform with built-in live transcoding technology that easily drives unlimited traffic, leads, and sales with no skills required. With VidSquad, you can profit in 3 easy steps. Upload your videos, customize everything, publish and share anywhere you want. Use VidSquad to host and publish sales videos, e-learning videos, demo videos, training videos, videos for your website and blogs, affiliate review videos, videos ad campaign, videos in email blogs, social media platforms, and much, much more. Most importantly, don't waste your hard-earned money on Vimeo, VidSquad, YouTube, and others. It integrates seamlessly with the major business platforms and auto-response out there. With VidSquad, you'll never face these issues. No buffering, no delay, monthly or yearly fee, confusing platform, full of ads, custom domains. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you don't like what you see, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which is still incredibly great deal. But it will be recurring soon, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.